Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video you are going to learn how to knit this boot, which looks like this. See, you can also roll this cuff like that. See, this boot will be good for a newborn baby and also for 0 to 1 year babies, right? And this boot is very easy to knit. Any beginners can knit this boot, right? So for this boot I have used this yarn, which is pretty thick. See, and I have used this needle, which is size 11. You can also use bigger than this needle if you want to make the boot bigger than this, right? So for this boot you will need to cast in 31 stitches, right? So let's get into this video. So now I'm going to cast in 31 stitches, right? So I'm going to start with a slip knot. First make a circle like that, right? I'll leave a long tail first, right? And then make a circle and place this yarn behind this circle and then pull it through, right? Now I have a slip knot. You're going to place your needle like that, right? So now I have 1 stitch here, right? I'm going to cast in 31 stitches, right? So 1, 2, 3, 30 and 31, right? So now I have 31 stitches on my needle, and we're going to start our row 1, right? And for row 1 we're going to knit all the stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And for the last stage, your actual pattern is you knit your last stage, but you're going to bring the yarn in front and then slip the last one, slip the last stitch. The reason why we're doing this is because if you slip your last stitch, then your edge will go smoothly and it will get easier to join your boot later, right? So we have finished our row 1, and for row 2 we're going to do some increases, and for that you're going to knit 1 and then you're going to increase 1, right? And for that you're going to pick up this loop which is in the middle, as you can see here, right? Pick up this loop and place it on your left needle like that, right? And then knit that loop to the front, right? And then knit 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, and then increase 1 again. Pick up this loop, right, and then place it on your left needle and then knit it through the front, right? And then knit 1, increase 1 again, pick up this loop and knit it through the front, and then you're going to knit 14. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14, and then slip one, increase one, pick up this loop and place it on your left needle, and then knit and at last you're going to bring the yarn in front and then slip the last. And row number 3 you're going to knit all the stitches. Right, you're going to knit all the way across, and at the last bring the yarn in front and slip last. Right, so we have done row number 3, and for row number 4 we're going to knit 2, 1 2, and then increase 1, pick up this loop and place it on your left needle and knit it through the front, and then you're going to knit 14. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, and then increase 1, right, and then knit 3, 1 2 3, and increase 1 again, and then knit 14, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14, and then increase 1, and knit last 2. For that you're going to bring the yarn in front and slip your last. And row number 5, which is all knit stitches, bring the yarn in front and slip last. Row number 6, you're going to knit 3, 1 2 3, and increase 1, and then knit 14, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14, and then you're going to increase 1, and knit that loop, right, and then knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5 and increase 1, and then knit 14, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14, right, and then increase 1, and knit last 3, slip your last, and row number 7, which is all knit stitches. And row number 8, which is our last increase row, right, and for that we're going to knit 4 2 3 4 and then increase 1, and then knit 14, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 sorry 10 11 12 13 and 14 and then increase 1, and then knit 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 increase 1, knit 14, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 sorry 12 13 and 14 and increase 1, and then knit 4, slip your last, right. Row number 9, you're going to knit all the way across, so we have finished our row number 9 as well, and now you're going to continue working on your garter stitch for 8 rows, which means you're going to continue knitting all the stitches. You're going to continue knit all the stitches until you finish your row number 17, right. So I'm going to continue knitting like that, and I'll come back after I finish my row number 17, right.